Na Mothúchàin. Feelings. Tróna mai a cairde. Tá féiseáin sogin bunaithe na Mothúchàin an seachtain seo. Good afternoon, everyone. This week, our video is based upon feelings. Our feelings are extremely important, and we are encouraged to speak to a loved one or someone we trust go réalta on a regular basis. We would like to take this opportunity to encourage our young people to continue to speak about their Mothúchàin during this time, in what is a strange and unknown time for us all. A problem shared is a problem halved. A foishi. Please consider how your body language and facial expression changes dependent on how you're feeling. First of all, tosaí muid leis an clíthe seo. We will start with the following game. Tá tradara, plata, no piece of paper few, agus plur di. You will need a tray, plate, or even just a piece of paper, and some fleur. Higla seo yanu, agus tu de éonar. No, in Múinteoir. You can do this on your own or in pairs. Mas ruddy go bhfuil tú a de éonar. If you're playing on your own, make a list of all of the feelings or refer back to our feelings poster from earlier in the week and choose one emotion at a time at random. Mar hampla, for example, if you choose Tá mé go mai, you could draw a happy face. Tá mé go bra, you would draw an okay face. If you choose Tá mé go hulk, you could draw a sad face. Mas ruddy go bhfuil tú gobar in Múinteoir. If you're working in pairs, take it in turns to choose an emotion, starting with Imreoir a Chéan, player 1. Once player 1 has chosen an emotion, they will say the sentence out loud, and Imreoir dó, player 2, must draw the emoji or picture which best suits that particular feeling. Tá súlagin go muna sibh sult a seo dheanú agus sibh fólam na Mothúchàin sa bhaile. We hope you enjoy doing this as you learn how to express your feelings as Gaeilge at home. Ag bogu rai hig na tascana inis. Moving on to 2 tasks now. Task a Chéan, task 1. You will see 5 emojis on the left-hand side of the page and 5 sentences on the right. All you have to do is draw a line from the left-hand side of the page to the right-hand side of the page, matching the emoji to the sentence. For example, Iver a Chéan, number 1. We see a really happy emoji, so therefore we would match that to Tá mé go héantach, which is the 3rd sentence on the right-hand side of the page. Bunaigi trail is na cianella. Can you try matching the others now? Task a dó, task 2. You will see 4 sentences with a box below each sentence. Can you draw a picture in each box to best match each feeling? Mar hampla, for example, Iver a Chéan, number 1. Tá ocras orm, which means I am hungry. So you would therefore draw a picture showing someone who is hungry. This can be an emoji or a picture of your choice. Can you now try the next 3? Ag obair is ag fólam le chéile ón bhaile.